I'm Jerry from The Happy Start. As a small business owner, one of the most frustrating feelings is knowing that you have a great product, but it's just sitting there, getting buried in the search results. Today, I want to talk to you about how coupons and promotions helped us stand out. Amazon offers several promotional tools, and one of the most powerful ones for us is the coupon. It's simple. You set a discount like 5% off or $2 off, and the customer clicks a little box to clip it before they buy. In the past, we've used the promotional coupons for three main things: product launches, reviving slow sales, and the holidays. For example, when we saw a random sales dip a few months ago, we didn't panic. Instead, we turned on a simple $2 off coupon, and that promotion made us stand out amongst all the other listings. Our click-through rate jumped almost immediately, and our sales velocity eventually recovered. In short, coupons can catch the scroll and the eye of the customer in a way a normal price tag just can't. Here's a pro tip. Know your psychology. If your item's under $20, use a percentage off promotion instead of a dollar amount. It feels like a bigger deal to the customer. If it's over $20, use a dollar amount, since the customer will perceive that as real cash in their pocket. But be careful, you don't want to stack discounts by accident, or you might end up selling your product for free. Use coupons and promotions wisely and watch your sales grow.